Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, in your circumstances, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. We have Mountain, Man, and House. So, Sagittarius, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have a lot on your shoulders. There are a lot of things you need to do, maybe responsibilities, work, maybe, and you are focused. You are doing your best, trying hard, trying to bring a safe and secure situation for yourself in your work and even in your personal life. You want a meaningful, positive connection with this person. So you are trying to do the best no matter where you are, maybe for your work and in your relationship. You have your focus, attention on your responsibilities, guys, and you have a lot of challenges you need to face, and you have your ambition, and you want to have a beautiful relationship. At the same time, you want a very good, safe, and secure future in your work situation. So you are doing a lot of work, doing everything possible in your using your skills and talents to handle your situation effectively. So in your work there may be some obstacles, a challenging situation you need to face, but whatever it is, guys, you are focused, you have your concentration in work, and you know what works well for you, Sagittarius. So you are going for that right choices or right decisions in your career situation. So you are someone really skilled, guys, Sagittarius. And in this relationship, you want a true meaningful relationship with this person. You are maybe, for some of you, you like this person, and maybe you have not told them about what you feel about them, but you are interested in a committed relationship. You want this person to be married to you, or you want to be engaged to this person, and you are thinking of a committed long relationship. Maybe you have not spoken that to this person. Or for some of you, Sagittarius, if you are not in a relationship, if you are single right now, you are looking for a person to be in a committed relationship. So you are interested in a relationship, you are open to a relationship. Or maybe for some of you, if you find someone interesting and if you have some kind of inhibition to go and ask them out, maybe they are also interested in this romance, guys. So you can go forward and propose to this person, so that may your proposal will work, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So maybe this person is also interested in you. So if you are thinking that whether this person will be interested or not, with these cards I can say that they are also interested in this romance. So for the card for your relationship, it is mice. So there may be some negative things in this relationship, guys. Maybe this person or yourself or maybe someone may try to create problems for you or this connection, trying to affect your confidence or trying to affect the way things are going in this connection. But with these previous cards, guys, I feel that you will be able to overcome whatever negative things you may have in this relationship, Sagittarius. So for your career situation, guys, we picked one card and it is Fox. So in your work situation, again, there is someone really having evil intentions on you. You must be careful with this person, guys. So this person is trying to create all kinds of obstacles and all kinds of troubles for you guys, Sagittarius. So you have to be really careful with this person, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys. Heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open so that you live more fully, more lovingly and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says, beyond the threshold of fear. So in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self-imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear. And you no longer want to be the victim. You want to, move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship, you have some fears. That is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that. And you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying. And you are going to, feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have. And fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation. And you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer, you have that energy to move out. But today, you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.